Hello, I'm back with a quick one this time. I want to talk about Anvil and Middleman and Livereload and all these things that kind of couple together to make a really interesting design in the browser workflow. I've got this GitHub user page that is powered by Middleman, and I'm going to work on a local copy and do a couple updates. Since I've already set up my Middleman project as a rack app, Anvil just makes it work automatically. I haven't started anything. This is just how my system goes. I go up here to Anvil. And first off, let's see what my local version looks like. Notice how it's .dev instead of .com. That's how we know that we're working on the local version. And it's looking pretty much exactly the same. We're going to go ahead and turn on Livereload. A nice time saver with Anvil is if you select your project, right-click it, you can just open it in Finder instead of having to navigate to the project. And then, of course, you can just drag over to your dock. Now we've got them ready to rock. Let's go ahead and add a text shadow to this region. It's called logo because oftentimes, most projects you kind of have a graphic up there, but since it's text, let's go ahead and decorate a little bit, make it a little bit nicer. Oh, let's actually base it off of our header background color. This is a nice, if you're not familiar with Sass, you can use variables for colors. So that green color of the header is a variable header BG color. And what I can do is affect it with a little compass, which is lighten. I'm going to lighten it by 10%, I guess. Because the text is already a darkened version of that color, so that's actually going to be a pretty big shift. It might actually be too much. And since I'm using lighten, I actually don't need to use RGBA. Notice how there's already a very subtle text change. Maybe kind of hard to see that, but it actually applied it on the fly. So what we can do, just for demonstrational purposes, and flip back, and notice how it takes a few seconds, but those colors change. Now it's back to good. So I hope you find that useful. I think that it's stellar, and I'm going to get back to work now.